How do you use the iPhone's Safari web browser in the desktop mode? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So it looks slightly different running the iOS 26, which is the latest version. So I'm going to stick with that. So what you need to do is to open up the Safari app as usual. And at the bottom, I have the URL bar. And you might have clicked on the three dots button next to it, but instead we actually have to click on the rectangle, which is to the left of the URL, right? So you click on this. Some options are going to appear, like you can see we have the hide distracting items and whatnot. And in here, we tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. This makes more options appear, and you can see we have the request desktop website. When you click on this, the web should be refreshed. Perhaps you will not even see a difference. This kind of depends on the actual website, but this is where you can use it. Again, it's kind of confusing because we are tapping on the three dots in the bottom right corner, but not at the first, but we have to tap on the rectangle and then the three dots. So it kind of makes it hidden in the settings a little bit, but eventually you can find it. Keep in mind, however, that in the iPhone, you can of course use some different web browsers. So a lot of people try and experiment with the Google Chrome if you don't feel like it works well using the built-in Safari app. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Most definitely stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.